ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शुक्ल यजुर्वेदीय काण्व शाखिया बृहदारण्यक उपनिषद द्वितीय अध्याय अजात शत्रु ब्राह्मण। In this we were seeing गार्ग्य अभिप्रेत आत्मा, that is prana. In this prana there is upasana, aditya, chandra ityadi. So this prana is आदित्य रूप प्राण है और चंद्रमा रूप प्राण है आत्मा। एंड देयरफॉर चंद्र देवता नाम संबोधनम was justified. In Bhashya you see page 445 second line in Bhashya, केवल संबोधन मात्र अप्रतिपत्या एव असुप्तस्य आध्यात्मिकस्य प्राणस्य अभोक्तृत्वे सिद्धे यत् चंद्रदेवता विषयैः नामभिः संबोधनम, चंद्रदेवता विषयैः नामभिः संबोधनम तच्चंद्रदेवता प्राणो अस्मिन् शरीरे भोक्ता. दिस वाज गार्ग्य अभिप्रेत. गार्ग्य considered that this is actual atma. So गार्ग्य अभिप्रेत आत्मनः विशेष प्रतिपत्ति निराकरणार्थम. Why those names were used? Brihad, Pandaravasa, etc. for Vishesha Pratipatti. What is the Vishesha Pratipatti? That Chandra Devata is prana in this Sharira. Aditya is prana in this Sharira. And that is Bhokta. This Nirakaranam is done when these names are used. Another question was asked, why these unfamiliar names were used? Why not Prana Apana? What is the solution? What is the Samadhanam that was given? लौकिक नाम नो देवता विषय तो अभाव है, right? प्राण, the devatas don't have laukika nama. Devatas have only Vaidika nama. That's why those names were used. See, all these points, when we have clear, then we will not think, what is this? What the discussion is this? That's why nahi tal laukika namna sambodhane shakyam kartum. Devata, they are not sambodhita by laukika nama. Then we saw the question, somebody said, Indriyas are bhokta. Prana is not bhokta. Indriyanam bhoktritva means Indriya are Chaitanya. Bhashya. Prana pratyakhyane naiva pranagrastatvat karanantaranam pravritti anupapatte bhoktritva ashanka anupapattihi. When prana pratyakhanam is done, prana pratyakhanam means pranasya atmatvena pratyakhanam. That prana is not atma. In this way, when pratyakhanam is done, then all the karanas are pranagrasthatvat karanantaranam. All the other karanas, they are pranagrastha, and therefore their pravritti is not going to happen in sushupti. Pravritti anupapatte bhoktritva ashanka anupapatti. Bhoktritva means chaitanya. Chaitanya ashanka anupapatti. Kesham indriyana. Indriya, anything other than prana. So here indriya is taken. They will not have chaitanatvam. Tika. प्राण करण चंद्र देवतानाम अभोक्तृत्वे अपि देवतांतरम अत्र भोक्तृ स्यात् इति आशंक्याः. प्राण करण चंद्र देवतानाम, how many things are mentioned in this? 3. प्राणश्च करणानि च चंद्र देवता च. Right? Pranasya because prana is pullinga. Karanani because napumsakalinga. Devata is strilinga. So pranasya karanani cha chandra devata cha iti prana karana chandra devataha tesham prana karana chandra devatanam. So how many are refuted? See, prana is also refuted, karanas are also refuted, devatas are also refuted. Abhoktritvapi. Then someone says, devatantaram atra bhoktru syat. Some other devata can be bhokta. Iti ashankyaha. There is no other devata. Devatantara abhavat. Devatantara abhavat. Devatantara abhavat means what? See 8 number tippani. न च प्राणातिरिक्ता देवता अन्या उपपद्यते. Why? प्राणे सर्व देवता अंतर्भावस्य. प्राण is hiranyagarbha. Hiranyagarbha is सर्व देवतामय. So everything is included. प्राणे सर्व देवता अंतर्भावस्य अभिधानस्य मानत्वात्. मानत्वात् प्रमाणत्वात्. So each piece we have to link. Then only the whole idea will become clear. टीका. भोक्तृत्व आशंका अनुपपत्ति रीति पूर्वेण संबंध. देवतांतरा भावाच्च भोक्तृत्व आशंका अनुपपत्ति. Therefore there is no other bhokta. Prana is not bhokta. Any other karana is not bhokta. Any other devata is not bhokta. So now what you will end up with is only Atma. तत्र उपक्रम विरोधम शंकते. ग्रंथस्य उपक्रम. ग्रंथ उपक्रम, how we started, there is virodha. Purvapakshi is saying. ननु अतिष्ठा इत्याद्या आत्मन्वी इत्यन्तेन ग्रंथेन गुणवत् देवता भेदस्य दर्शितत्वात् इति चेत् अतिष्ठा इत्याद्या आत्मन्वी इति अंतेन ग्रंथेन. So in these paryaya, all the vikalpa, atishtha, mama samvadishtha, atishtha, all these words were used. And then atmanvi, when was this said? in the last vikalpa, right? In the aham. आत्मन्वी इति अंतेन ग्रंथेन गुणवत् देवता भेदस्य दर्शितत्वात्. गुणवत् देवता भेद, देवता विथ गुण. तो आदित्य देवता, चंद्रमा देवता, काल, whatever, all the devatas were shown. दर्शितत्वात् इति चेत् न. टीकाकार से दर्शितत्वात् देवतांतर अभावो नास्ति. So many devatas are there. Why are you saying there is no other devata? Chandrama refutation is done. So many other devatas are there. He says no. स्वतंत्र देवता भेदो नास्ति. None of those devatas are स्वतंत्र. स्वतंत्र देवता भेदो नास्ति इति समाधत्ते. तस्य इन भाष्य तस्य प्राणे एव एकत्व अभ्युपगमात्. प्राण एव एकत्व अभ्युपगमात् मीन्स प्राणे एव एकत्व अभ्युपगमात्. सर्वश्रुतिषु अर नाभि निदर्शनेन. In different shruti this drishtanta is given. Ara iva arathanabhau, like how in Mundaka. In Chandogya also this drishtanta is given when prana pratipadanam is done in 8th chapter. Ativadi. So there, what is prana? This is the drishtanta. Prana is like the central hub, nabhi. All the devatas, they are like spokes, like this, connected to the nabhi. So they all are not swatantra, they all are connected here itself. Nidarshanena. Nidarshanena means, what is nidarshanam?
Having shown.
Nidarshana means drashtanta. Aranabhi nidarshanena, drashtantena. प्राणे देवता भेदस्य ऐक्ये युक्तिमाह. In prana, devata भेदस्य ऐक्य. All the devata bheda becomes one in prana. In that there is yukti also. Drashtanta is given. Now yukti. What is that? Aranabhi iti. न देवतांतरस्य भोक्तृत्वं गार्ग्यस्य स्वपक्ष विरोधात् इति शेषः. According to Gargya also, any other devata becoming bhokta is Gargya paksha virodha, swapaksha virodha. Prana itself he wants. Why? See in bhashya. सत्येन छन्नः प्राणो वा अमृतम इति च प्राण बाह्यस्य अन्यस्य अनभ्युपगमात् भोक्तुः. सत्येन छन्नः प्राणः. Satya means what is sthula, pratyaksha is called satya here. So that is Virat. By the sthula samashti Virat, prana means Hiranyagarbha is covered. Channa means avrata. Satyena virajatmana prano Hiranyagarbha channa. Prano va amritam. That prana which is amrita swarupa. And therefore prana bahyasya anyasya anabhipagamat. He doesn't accept anything other than prana, which is outside of prana, for bhokta, as a bhokta. Tika. Sarvashrutishu iti uktam taha sankshepato darshayati. In all shruti it is given. How? Eshahu eva sarve devaha कतमो एको देव इति प्राण इति च. What is that one devata? Prana. This prana alone is sarva devata rupa. In Kathopanishad also it had come. This prana was given the name Aditi. Aditi devata mayi in this way. कति देवा टीका. कति देवा याज्ञवल्क्य इत्यादिना संक्षेप विस्ताराभ्याम सर्वेषां देवानां प्राणात्मनि एव एकत्वम् उपपाद्यते. This Shakalya, he is going to ask Yajnavalkya, how many devatas are there? So first he'll give bigger number, then smaller, then 2, 1.5, then 1. What is that? Prana. So Sankshepa Vistarabhyam Sarvesham Devanam Pranatmani eva ekatvam upapadyate. Ekatvam is there in Prana. Ato na devata bhedo asti iti. सर्वदेवानां प्राण एव एकत्व उपादनाच्च. सर्वदेवानां प्राणे एव एकत्वम्. All the devatas become one in prana. प्राणात् पृथक् भूतस्तिका. प्राणात् पृथक् भूतस्य देवस्य आत्मातिरेके सत्य अतिरेके सति असत्वापत्तेश्च प्राणात् पृथक् भूतस्य देवस्य. देवता who is different from prana, पृथक् भूतस्य देवस्य आत्मा अतिरेके सति, when it is different from atma, asatvapattesya, atma is sat, anything other than atma will become asat. असत्वापत्तेश्य प्राणांतर भाव सर्वदेवता भेदस्य इति वक्तुम च शब्दः. प्राण इति च it is given. और no, सर्वदेवानां प्राण एव एकत्व उपादनात् च, that च second chakara is for this reason. So I hope this sentence is clear. Prana, other than prana, if there is any devata, how it will become asat? That devata will be atma. Or you take it this way also. Gargya doesn't have any other idea of Shuddha Chaitanya as Atma. Gargya's thinking stops with Prana. He thinks this itself is Atma and this is Sadrupa. So, if he says other than this, there is some other Bhokta called Atma, then Vedanti Paksha Siddhi will happen. And if he says everything is included here, then there is no other Atma for him. So Tippani, 15 number Tippani says that Atma Atirek, Atmatve Sati and Atmatve tu Asmat Paksha Siddhi. If there is any other Atma other than Prana, Pranat Pruthak Bhutasya Devasya Atmatve, then Vedanti Paksha Siddhi will happen. And if there is no Prana Pruthak Atma, then Prana negation is done and now there is nothing remaining. Karananam abhoktritve hetvantaram aha. Another hetu why Karana cannot be bhokta. तथा करण भेदेषु अनाशंका in Karana Bheda, there is no Shanka, there is no possibility, there is no doubt. How Devata Bhedeshu Iva Iti Yavat. Like in Devata Bheda, there is Ashanka, is a doubt, which is being refuted, which was refuted. In Karana Bheda, there is no doubt also. Why? Anashanka in Tika, Anashanka Bhoktruttvasya iti Shesha. That some other Karana is there other than Prana as Chaitanya, that Shanka is doesn't stand ground. Why? Tatra udaharanantaram aha. Another example is given. Deha bhedeshu iva smriti jnanechhadi pratisandhana anupapattehe. Deha bhedeshu iva, like Chaitra Deha and Maitra Deha. Smriti Jnana Ichhadi Pratisandhanam. Pratisandhanam means Anusandhanam, what we call recollection, is not possible in Anya Deha. How? This in Sarva Vedanta Siddhanta Sara Sangra, this is given. Vedanta Sara also this is given. Indriya Atmavada. Indriya Atma, why Indriya is not taken as Atma? So, what will happen? You will have multiple Atmas in Ekadeha because multiple Indriyas are there. Then what will happen? That Drishtanta is given here. See, nahi hastadishu pratyekam bhoktritvam shankyate. Hasta is also Chetana, Pada is also Chetana, Shrotra, Chakshuhu, everybody is Atma, everybody is Chetana. Then what will happen? तथा श्रोत्र नेत्रादिषु अपि न भोक्तृत्व आशंका युक्ता. हस्तादिषु means karanendriya. Shrotra netra means jnanendriya. Why? तेषु स्मृति रूप ज्ञानस्य इच्छायाः योहम रूपम अद्राक्षम सशब्दम शृणोमि इत्यादि प्रतिसंधानस्य च अयोगात् इत्यर्थः. प्रत्यभिज्ञा will not happen. In the last session, did we cover this Gargya Ajata Shatru Samvada or not? Yes.
Yes.
Right. Why we are able to say this? Pratyabhijna, because Smriti is there now. I am the same person. But if Hasta is also Atma and Chakshur Indriya is also Atma, Chakshur Indriya says, I saw something. Hasta Indriya says, I don't remember. Because this Atma is different, this Atma is different. So then, Teshu Smriti Rupa Jnanasya Ichhayaha. Smriti Jnana Ichha. Yo aham rupam adraksham. Chakshus Indriya says, I saw the rupam. Saha shabdam shrunomi. That same am I listening to the shabda now? This will not happen. Because both are different Atma. Ityadi pratisandhanasya cha ayogad ityartha. Therefore, and it is just like Deha Bhedeshu Iva. In Bhashya that Shabda is given, Deha Bhedeshu Iva. Deha Bhedeshu means Chaitra was there in Purva part and Maitra comes now. Chaitra has Anubhava. He can have Smriti. Maitra will not have Smriti. Maitra has pratyaksha now. So you will not be able to put the two together. Seen. अनुपपत्ति में स्फुटयति. That anupapatti explains further. नहीं अन्य दृष्टम अन्यः स्मरति जानाति इच्छति प्रतिसंदधाति वा. अन्य दृष्टम, somebody else saw, somebody else will not be able to remember. You imagine these twins, they are there, look-alike twins. How they must be going through all this a lot. Somebody said, I told you that day, and he is looking because he has not heard his brother or sister, whoever. So it's confusing. तस्मात् न करण भेद विषये भोक्तृत्व आशंका. Therefore, in case of karana bheda, different karanas, bhoktritva ashanka is not possible. Tika. Now, Bhagavan Bhashyakara, he is not going to leave this here only. Kshanik vijnanasya nirashrayasya bhoktritva ashanka api pratisandhana asambhavad eva pratyukta ityaha. Vijnaneti. Pratika is not clear. Vijnaneti. Right? What does it say? Vijnanoti. Vijnaneti. Kshanik Vijnan also has the same problem. Kshanik Vijnanasya Nirashrayasya. In Kshanik Vijnanavad, there is no Ashraya. Ashraya means there is no Kutastha Sakshi. Alaya Vijnana is for samskara and Kshanik Vijnana is for expressions. But Alaya Vijnana, they don't consider that there is one Vijnanam which is there all the time, based on which there is Pratyabhijna. But since this topic has come, we should do thinking. What is the thinking? Today, how do I recollect what happened earlier? And what happened in Sushupti? How do I recollect in Jagrat? So yesterday's Anubhava, today is also there. I say, yes, I had experienced this. I saw this yesterday. I ate that yesterday. I can say. So what was there yesterday is there today. Who is that? Pramata. Simple words we can put. Pramata was there yesterday, Bhokta, Anubhav Karta. Today he is Smarta, he is remembering. Everything will work. If you put Sushupti, in Sushupti, Pramata is not there. So if when I wake up and I say, I slept very well, I did not experience anything. Prag aswapsam iti prabodha samaye yaha pratyabhijnayate. To who will have this pratyabhijna? Because the one who was sleeping cannot have knowledge. The one who is awake did not experience. And still we say there is pratyabhijna. Means if this question that every night we go to sleep, every morning we wake up, and if we question only this, I will know I am not Pramata. Right? Consciousness, if you give the answer. Chaitanya is not Anubhav Karta. Shuddha Chaitanya. Shuddha Chaitanya doesn't have memory to recollect. So if you say Shuddha Chaitanya was there in Sushupti, yes, we don't deny it. But Shuddha Chaitanya doesn't say in the morning, Sukham aham aswapsam. I slept very well. I don't remember anything. Because that recollection is done by somebody else. Means what happens when I wake up? I am trying to look through my memory. What was there at that time? What was there at that time? And I find nothing. It is blank. Right? So I say, na kinchid avedisham. That portion is blank. So the one who experiences is not the one who has slept. Because the one who has slept cannot experience. The one who is awake, who is able to remember. So Pratyabhijna actually is of Sakshi. So Karana Sharira Abhimani, when you say, you will say Prajna. But instead of saying Karana Sharira Abhimani, we will say Karana Sharira Upahita Chaitanya. So there is slight bheda in that. Karana Sharira Abhimani, you can say he was there at that time. But Jnanam, for it to happen, you need some Chaitanya. The Chaitanya is available through Sakshi. And in that shloka which I quoted, Pragaswapsam iti prabodha samaye yaha pratyabhijnayate. That yaha, the one who has pratyabhijna, is Dakshinamurti. If you say that is Prajna, then he is not Dakshinamurti. Means he is not supposed to be Pratipadya there. Sakshi is the Pratipadya in that shloka. Because Pratipadanam is of that it is not Shunya Atma, it is something which is Kutastha, which is there all the time. In Jagrat Swapna Shushupti. Prajna, you will have to say it is there only in Sushupti Avastha. When Jagrat Swapna he is not available as Abhimani. So this point, I think every day, also if we think it is wonderful, actually it is wonder only. How we are continuing our Vyavahara, not thinking who has all this Vyavahara Jnanam, Pratyabhijna. So that Kshanik Vijnana, if it doesn't have Adhishthanam, Bhoktritva Ashanka api Pratisandhana Abhavat Asambhavat eva Pratyukta. So Kshanik Vijnana also cannot be Bhokta. Bhashya Vijnana Matra Vishayava Kadachid api Upapadyate. Bhoktritva Shanka Vijnana Matra Vishayava na Kadachid api Upapadyate. Even that Kshanika Vijnana cannot be Bhokta. Further, Pranadinam Anatmatvam Uktva Sthuladehasya Tadvaktum Purvapakshayati. Pranadinam Anatmatvam. Pranadi are Anatma, that is said already. Now Sthuladehasya Tadvaktum Purvapakshayati. Sthuladehasya Anatmatvam. This is Charvak. तद वक्तुम मीन्स what is tad? अनात्मत्वम वक्तुम. पूर्व पक्षयति मीन्स पूर्व पक्षम करोति. ननु संघात एव अस्तु भोक्ता किम व्यतिरिक्त कल्पनया इति. दिस lazy people's idea. Why you want to have another bhokta, another chaitanya? Sanghata itself is bhokta. Sanghata eva astu bhokta. Why व्यतिरिक्त कल्पना? What is संघात? संघातो भूत चतुष्टय समाहारः स्थूलो देह इति यावत्. स्थूल देह is संघात. भूत चतुष्टय समाहार. गौरोहम पश्यामि इत्यादि प्रत्यक्षेण तस्य आत्मत्व दृष्टेरिति भावः. गौरोहम पश्यामि, he says I am gaurah, I see. प्रत्यक्ष is there. तस्य आत्मत्व दृष्टेः, तस्य स्थूल देहस्य संघातस्य. इस संघात इस आत्मा. कैसे? गौरो अहम, अहम पश्यामि. प्रमाण अभावात अतिरिक्त कल्पना न युक्ता. देयर इज नो प्रमाण फॉर अनदर चैतन्य. अतिरिक्त कल्पना न युक्ता इत्याह. किम व्यतिरिक्त कल्पनया. व्हाई वी हैव टू डू व्यतिरिक्त भोक्ता कल्पना. संघातस्य आत्मत्वं दूषयति. न, संघात इज नॉट आत्मा. व्हाई? आपेक्षणे विशेष दर्शनात्. Because there is vishesha when apeshanam is done. Apeshanam means that shaking. यदि ही विशेष दर्शनम व्यतिरेक द्वारा विषय देती. नाउ विशेष दर्शनम व्यतिरेक is shown. यदि ही प्राण शरीर संघात मात्रो भोक्ता स्यात्. शरीर, र is missing. यदि ही प्राण शरीर संघात मात्रो भोक्ता. दिस प्राण शरीर, वाई प्राण शरीर? लिविंग. संघात मात्र भोक्ता स्यात्. संघात मात्र अविशेषात्. तदा आपिष्टस्य अनापिष्टस्य च प्रतिबोधे विशेषो न स्यात्. If prana sharir sanghat itself is bhokta, then sanghat is there whether apishta means if he is shaken or not shaken. Apishtasya, anapishtasya. There is no bheda, but there is bheda. When he is shaken, then he responds. When he is not shaken, he doesn't respond. प्राणेन सहितम स्थूलम शरीरम एव संघातः. सम अनुस्वार. संघातस तन्मात्रो यदि भोक्ता स्यात्. If संघात मात्र was भोक्ता, then what would happen? That is shown now. पूर्व पक्षी से तत्पक्षे कथम पेषणा पेषणयोः उत्थाने विशेष स्यात्. How according to your paksha there is bheda. Purva paksha here means Charvak. Charvak says how there is bheda between when somebody is shaken or not. So this answer we will see in the following session. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते. ओम शांति शांति शांति. शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः. ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेद विभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति।